piece of, I want to say conduit, piece of conduit with a cable runs through it. They're not sealed, they're not anything. So if you know you're going to be in a rainstorm, oh, we got a flag. We've got a flag. I'll be right back. Whoa! Let's see what we got. I've got 2 reasons you should subscribe to this channel. The first one is if you've clicked on one of my thumbnails. The second one is this channel is all about the great outdoors, the state of Maine. Everything that I do here at the Rustic off-grid cabin. Here's a tour of the fish house. These are windows over here. We got a flag. We've got a flag. I'll be right back. Whoa! Let's see what we got. That has got dead bait on it. 6-inch sucker. So I'm going to make sure that whatever's down there wanted it, really wants it. We've got a nice one. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. Up and close and personal. Shoot. Look how pretty he is. Big tail. He's starting to freeze up. There you go. So I guess the dead bait works. I've got 2 reasons you should subscribe to this channel. The first one is if you've clicked on one of my thumbnails. The second one is this channel is all about the great outdoors, the state of Maine. Everything that I do here at the Rustic off-grid cabin. On these guys, that's what I was kind of hoping for. I didn't really want a bunch of small ones today, just because, yeah, it's fun to catch them and all that. But I was hoping for something between 8 and 10 pounds. So here's an 8-pounder. That's good. It's 4 o'clock. I'm going to fish for another, well, it gets dark around 5 o'clock. So I'm going to fish for another hour. I didn't get any bites at all this morning. But I was thinking between 2 and dark, something might come in. And I actually had 2 flags. I caught this one, and then I put an 8-inch sucker on again. And before I got back to the fish house, the flag was up again. So, but I didn't catch that one. But anyways, I had another bite. So I think there's another one in the area. So I believe I'll get some fish nuggets out of this one. Today was a success. I did not spend any money on bait, so that saves me a few dollars. And that makes this fish free, except for my time to get him. So, but what a beautiful fish. He's a big one. He got me right by the glove now. There you go. I was fishing today with dead suckers, about 8 inches long. This guy weighs 8 pounds, a little over 8 pounds. 8 pounds and 30 inches long. So that's a pretty nice fish. But there's a lot of meat on there, so that will be fun. Now I've got to send some pictures to the boys. That ought to get them all riled up. So, if I don't see you again, I'll see you next week. The fishing was great.